back and the front. But gotta have hands on to do it, and you gotta build up, and you gotta build then you gotta build the door place that people can go in, then to test the wheels. That's all we have to do. Then you have to put a light on the front and the back, then put a steering wheel on. Then it's 7 on a wheel. Then put 7s on the wheels. That's how you make a 7 car, but that's not out. You gotta paint it, or you can paint the wood so you can do it wherever you want. Or you can paint the stuff that build the car. Once you paint everything, then you gotta wait for it to fly the car. Fly the car, you mean that, and you make a 7 car. Then you gotta put the engine in it. That's how we make cars go. But we need to make a gas tank. Then that's how cars go. But if you can build the engine, it's not smooth. You make it gas. If it went out a little bit, then it can't move. You gotta get gas so that it can move very well. Oh, that. But one time was Daddy out. Someone got no gas, and he put his gas tank was in his truck, and he said back up for pussy. That they went to a gas station, and he got his husband put his 7 on building. Form some electric thing. Tape on so that it can be taped. So that has to be stuff white. Good thinking. And else you have to write your name on here and put a circle and a line between it. That's how you do stuff. Line and a circle. Line in middle and circle around. And you gotta write your name on these, so you know it's parents that did it. If someone parents start with a different name, you gotta just do it. Do it what you have to do. So you gotta read it and build the car. Good. And put the thing under the sorry stuff. The yellow stuff. The yellow stuff that is the spell something. Yeah. So bye-bye. Hello again. Yeah, gotta make a car and learn how to make it. Gotta just do this. And you gotta read a car. Mommy.
Yes?
You still have more signs to do.
Yep, we're gonna do more signs.
After Daddy gets out?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You're gonna write your name to do a book that does cars, but Daddy has to make it, but really big. There have to be stuff on the back for trucks. Like lights on top. So you gotta do it what cars do and trucks have to do. And put big tires on them, and trucks are good in doing driving in the snow. They're not cars. They're small. Trucks are big. Trucks are big. Real big. I need flashing a light at me.
Well, I thought it would help you see the book better. Is it bothering you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn it off.
I can see with those lights on.
Okay.